Hello and welcome back to PINNAVEX. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a phone call QR code. This type of QR code allows your customers to easily contact you with just one scan, making it super convenient for any business. Let's get started. To begin, go to pinnavex.com. On the homepage, click on Create QR Code, and this will bring you to the QR code creation page. From there, select the phone call QR code option. Step 2. Enter your phone number with the country code in this box. Step 3. Customizing your QR code. Lastly, test the QR code and download it at no cost as a guest. No sign-up is required. However, if you'd like to save your QR code for future edits or track the performance of your links, I recommend creating a free PINNAVEX account. Now, let's walk through the sign-up process to create and save your QR code for future edits or tracking purposes. Click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. You can also sign up with your Facebook or Google account for quicker access. Click Register. Once done, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox, click the link in the email to verify your account and activate it. Now this is our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link performance. First, we want to click on Generate QR Code. Step 1. Here, you want to select the phone call QR code. Step 2. Entering the phone number. Once you've selected the phone call QR code option, you'll see the phone number box. This is where you'll input the phone number that you want people to call when they scan the QR code. But here's an important tip. Always include the country code with your phone number. This ensures that your QR code works internationally and can dial the correct number no matter where it's scanned. Make sure to format your phone number correctly so the QR code will work properly when scanned. Step 3. Styling your QR code. Now that we've entered your phone number, let's move on to styling the QR code to match your brand. Under the Style section, you'll find a variety of design options. Choose a style that suits your business identity or personal preference. The changes will be reflected immediately in the preview. Step 4. Customizing the eyes. Next, let's customize the eyes of the QR code, the 3 squares in the corners. You can choose from a variety of styles for both the inner and outer eyes. Changing these shapes can help your QR code stand out while still maintaining its functionality. Step 5. Adding color. If you want to add a bit of color to your QR code, you can do that as well. Under the Colors section, you'll be able to adjust the foreground and background colors. For a more professional look, try matching the QR code colors with your business branding, whether that's your logo colors or colors from your marketing materials. Step 6. Adding a frame and text. Next, let's add a frame to your QR code to make it more visually appealing. Choose from a variety of frame styles and make sure it complements the design of your QR code. You can also add text to the frame like, "Call us now" or "Scan to call." This helps to give the user clear instructions about what the QR code will do. Customize the font, size, and color to match your branding. Step 7. Adding your logo. You can also make your QR code more branded by adding your company logo to the center. Upload your logo and use the Logo Size tool to adjust the size and position to fit just right within the QR code. This gives your QR code a professional touch while helping to reinforce your brand. Step 8. Adding a background image. Want to make your QR code even more eye-catching? You can upload a background image behind the QR code. Choose an image that represents your business or fits your marketing campaign. Just be cautious. If the background image is too bold, it could affect the scannability of your QR code. If that happens, use the background transparency tool to adjust the opacity of the image, making sure the QR code remains easy to scan. Step 9. Testing the QR code. Before you finalize, always test your QR code to make sure it works as expected. Scroll down to the QR code reader feature built-in tool. It will show you if the QR code is scannable by displaying the message, "QR code seems to be readable." However, it's a good idea to also scan the code with your phone to double-check that it correctly initiates a phone call. Last step. Downloading your QR code. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to create and download your QR code. You can save it as a PNG, JPG, or other file. And that's how you create a phone call QR code with PINNAVEX. Now, your customers can easily contact you with just a scan of the code, making it simple and quick to reach you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest features that will help your business grow. Visit pinnavex.com and start creating your custom QR codes today.